Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech and State. In my previous video, we talk about Google Forms, how to create Google Forms, which are the various options available. In my second part, we talk about ONA Forms, how to create ONA Forms by logging in ona.io websites, different kind of questions. And after creating ONA Forms, in today's video, we are going to discuss about how to connect that ONA Forms with the ODK app. ODK Collect app is available on Android Play Store. You can download and install in your smartphone. And after installing it, you have to provide some settings that I'm going to demonstrate. And after that settings, you can, after collecting all the data, you can submit those data. So after that initial setup, I am going to demonstrate about how to download, how to visualize data on ona.io site, which are the different dashboard tabs options available, how to download data, what are the various types which are available to download, and all that kind of details that we are going to talk about in our today's session. So let's dive in. All right, so we have created ONA form, ONA questionnaire form. Save it. Now it's time to connect this form with the ODK app in our phone. So let's do that. So once you save this project, just close it, refresh it. This is the demo project. This is the project we have created. Okay, another important thing I want to show you is that you can even edit this form. If you want to edit form later on, if you want to add some new variable, or if you want some correction. For example, I just noticed that this note question is not of our, this is not useful. So we can just delete it, and we can create another question type. Okay, save. So the form has been saved. So this is how you can always go back and edit this form. Okay, there is another method to edit form, that is the XLS form, but that we will discuss later in another video. See here, option of downloading XLS form. You can download XLS form and you can edit. And this is the more advanced method. You can make calculation. You can show some more customized format in case of XLS form. Okay, so let's connect this form with the our ODK app. So how to do that? Just click on demo project. Okay, so demo project. So either you can use web form or web form links to collect data, but for that purpose you have to be online, or you can use ODK collect in your smartphone, or you can import CSV or Excel data if you are having already data with you. So today we will see how to connect our ONA questionnaire data with our ODK app. There is another toolbox known as the Kobo toolbox that can also be connected with the in the same way with the ODK app. like with the ONA app. Okay, so this is the URL which is very much important. This is server URL or server address. This server address has to be entered in our ODK app, and we have to provide password and username and password. So let's install ODK app in our smartphone and connect this form with the ODK app. All right, here I am on my smartphone. So first of all, we have to install ODK app from Play Store. Just type ODK. Oh, sorry, ODK collect. ODK collect. So this is the ODK app that you have to install. It is being installed. Once it has been installed, all right, so it's installed. Let's open it. So this will be open. So you have to do some settings. So go into settings. Okay, from settings, general setting, then click in server, type ODK. It's not a Google Drive. You can also fetch forms from the Google Drive. So this is from ODK. URL you have to write https URL, guys, you have to provide. Okay, click OK. Then you have to provide your username, your ONA username. Click OK. So once you provide your password, server details, then go back. Okay, so fill blank form. So the click blank form, so nothing available to display, so we don't have any form right now, so we have to fetch form. So from where we can fetch form? Okay, get blank form. So it is connecting with the server. Wait for a few moments, it will get connected, and these are the forms available in our ONA server. These are the form or questionnaire that we have build. So the questionnaire that we have built on ONA application, ONA website. Clear all. Now, which form you want to download? We have just now created demo project. So this form I want to select. Select that form and get selected. Click on get selected. So it will download that form. So again, go back to fill blank form. See, that form has been fetched. Now click on that form. Start filling form. Write your name, date of birth, not available. So writing approximate age, geo point. Just for information, if you are inside home or inside some close premises, then this geolocation or the to capturing the location of your device would be difficult. So it would be better to stay outside when you are capturing this location. Otherwise, it will not that much precise as you want. Okay, so we can save it. It has saved within. See the accuracy 16.28 meter. This is the accuracy. Select occupation professional. I can leave it blank. No edits. Take picture. Choose a file. Sorry. So our form has been connected, and then we are now filling data in our smartphone. Sorry. Okay. So I can take note. I love taken state. So you can mark form as finalized, or if you want to edit, you are not sure, then you can uncheck this option. Otherwise, make mark form as finalized, save form and exist. So okay, so you can edit saved form from here. Okay, you can edit. Next. If you want to see the whole form, whole form layout, then you can click here. Okay, jump directly to place where you want to make edit. Okay, save form. So you can edit form from edit saved form. Okay, then if you want to send form to server, you can just select this form and send selected. So it will be sent to, okay, successfully updated. This message should be there, successfully. Okay, so this is how you can connect with the ODK app your ONA form. You can fetch form, you can fill blank form, you can save it, and you can send finalize form. Suppose you want have a newer version, then you can delete this blank form, and ONA application itself tell you that you have a newer version of form. So you can always download the newer version and replace it with the older one. Okay, so this is the how we can connect with the ONA app. Right, guys. So for creating or building data collection tool questionnaire, we have three options. One is we already discussed, we already demonstrated, that is the ona.io, ona forms. Second option we have is a Kobo toolbox. Here also you can log in and create forms, and then you can connect it with the ODK app, or you can use a ODK software, that is ODK build, where this is my ODK build account. I have already logged in. From file to create new form. So you can create new form. So this is the questionnaire, question panel, question type panel, and you can, from here you can add a question. So this is the another ways you can build a questionnaire. So it is pretty impressive that we can use ODK app in a different with the different forms: ONA, ODK build, and Kobo toolbox. Right, guys, so we have connected our ONA form with the help of ODK application on our smartphone. We have also filled some forms and submitted. Let us see how it looks. So see here, two forms are submitted. So we click on our project. Okay, so this is our project dashboard. You can see here the activity, two records are there. 44 minutes ago last submission, one contributor. So it has been logged from my account, that is why it is showing a one contributor. But if you have shared your project, as I showed you in a previous video, that if you have set it as a collaborator, then collaborator also can send the data using his or her phone similarly. So it is very easy. Okay, so what we have here: description, XLS report, prepare data export if you want to export data. So from this is a main dashboard. Here you can use this link, you can copy paste this link, or you can copy paste and send this link to collect data online if the person is not having a ODK app. uh, it is uh, it is said that the ODK app is not supporting on uh, iPhone. So for those guys, we need a waveform links. Otherwise, using ODK collect, we can collect data from a smartphone. Okay, all right. So prepare data export. Click on prepare data export. Cancel prepare data export. So we have a different CSV option: Excel, Google Sheet, JSON, SAV, KML, zip folder. So these are the data exporting option available here. I will select CSV and click export. So this data will be exported. Click on downloading file. So I have click this link and open. Okay, so this is our data. See, this is our data which is exported. Okay, okay, so again I am clicking prepare data export. So advanced option. So you can also select date here. If you want to select date, then you can select the specific date for which you want to download data. Okay, so this is the main dashboard. Then map. Okay, so if you are having a data or geolocation in your questionnaire field, then this map will appear, otherwise not. So these are the two data point that I have captured. If you go and click on it, it will show you a detailed data, and you can edit or delete also. You can edit here in your form. If you want to edit anything, then you can click on edit and edit. You can also delete it, some primary hotspot and kind of thing can also be prepared using this interface. Then uh, you can select map box dark. This is the theme you can select: map box basic. So you can use mapbox API also. One of my project I have installed mapbox API to look it in a different way, my map. So that can be also be possible with the help of Una app. Okay, then again go to table. In table tab, you can see all of your data in table format. So you can view, click on view. So you can see this form. So you can view your data again from here. Also you can edit. From here also you can edit. There are different places from where you can just edit your data. If you want to delete, select and you can delete. It will ask you project name, and if you write down project name here and confirm, then it can delete. Okay, if you have a collected photo, then that photo will appear here. Then chart. What is the use of this dashboard? Is the use of this tab? Okay, you can have some analysis, and you can create some charts here, and you can save that to dashboard. Okay, so it is a kind of real-time analysis. So once you create this chart and save it to dashboard, then keep on adding data, keep on collecting data, and that primary analysis would be there in your dashboard. So let me add another chart: occupation, religion. You can also select a format of chart, type of chart. I have selected a pie chart. Save to dashboard. Save to dashboard. You can download also. It's downloading. So you can download also that chart. Okay, rate your experience. Okay, how many selected first choice, second choice. See, so this is how you can prepare a chart, save it to dashboard. Okay, I'm going to dashboard tab. So this is the real-time analysis, or this is the analysis dashboard. You keep on adding this record and it will automatically analyze or prepare this kind of visual analysis, visual graph, so you can always study it. Then this is a setting where you have a form information, media file, base map. Okay, this is the base map. This is what I am talking about. You can add Mapbox API. If you have created Mapbox nice map for your area and you want to incorporate, then you can always use Mapbox API. Add new app. You can add integrate Google Sheet and webhook. You can add, these are some advanced features. Even I haven't used it yet, so this you can do. So this is pretty much all about ONA forms, how to prepare ONA, build ONA questionnaire form on ona.io website. Then using its form URL, you can connect it with the ODK application on your smartphone. I have demonstrated it how to connect it, and you can collect data and you can submit data. Then again going back to your ona.io website, and you can visualize all of your data. You can download your data, you can see map, you can see tables, you can download data in various format. So guys, this is all about collecting data using ONA app and ODK app. Thanks for watching. If you are first time here, please don't forget to put likes and subscribe the channel. Hit the bell icon. It will help me to grow this channel. Thank you all.